welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig install on my sister. Guys, this is the first time I'm doing a wig install on someone else, so don't criticize too much. Just watch the video and enjoy it. And okay.
When somebody says your name in my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, getting nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby,
My sister has a lot of front hair, so cutting this cap was so hard because I did not even know where to stop or where to start, because the more I'm moving the cap backwards, the more I can see hair, and when I'm doing mine, I will not see hair there because I do not have front hair, while she has a lot of front hair, so it was so hard. Man, this install was, well, let's just keep going. So wearing wig on someone else's head is so hard, so I had to tell her to wear the wig herself. Especially because I did not want the lace to tear. We were both struggling to get the wig forward. Like, it was not easy at all. Here, I was just so tired. I'm like, it's not easy to install wig on someone. I was so tired, but I kept pushing. I don't even know what I was trying to do here. I think I was trying to put some powder on the lace to blend to her skin, but I don't even know if it worked or not. At this point, I was already regretting using the wig cap because it was so white, like it was whiter than her normal skin color. So here I was just frustrated, but I kept on doing what I was doing. Why is this clip so funny? That relief when you just get the melting band off your head, like you can finally breathe. So this is the end of this video. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section.